Hey friends, if you wish to remove the default sign in user account picture, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So here's one thing. Right click on the start button and select settings. This is a user account picture. Can you remove it completely? The answer is absolutely no, because there has to be something here at least. It can be anything, but there needs to be something. So you can go to accounts, scroll down, click on your info, and then there's an option which says take photo or choose a file, and then change it to a different picture. This is the best you can do. Even if you really don't want anything here, then use some letter symbol or something instead of that, a blank picture, a white picture or something, but you cannot remove it completely. And once you do it, you'll notice that the picture has been changed. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.